Oil pulling.
Oil pulling.
Oil pulling.
So many celebrities swear by this oil pulling. So what exactly is oil pulling and does it really work? Let's find out. So in ancient India, long before modern dentistry even existed, people relied on a very powerful system of healing called ayurveda. It was just not about oral health, but it was believed to balance the body's doshas, the vital energies that influence our mental, emotional and physical well-being. Factors like poor oral health and poor diet or stress were thought to disturb this balance, making the body more prone or vulnerable to diseases. They believed mouth was the gateway to the entire body, and if the mouth was healthy, the body would be too. Oil pulling was just a natural way to restore this harmony. Every morning, before eating or drinking anything, they would perform a simple act. They would take oil, usually sesame, coconut or sunflower oil, and slowly swish it in their mouth. They called it gandusha. Not for minutes, but sometimes up to 20 minutes. And they believed something powerful was happening during that time. Now let's come back to today. You and I, we brush, we floss, we use mouthwash, but even after all that, millions and millions of bacteria still live inside our mouth. Some are good, some are not so good. And now here what it gets interesting. Many harmful bacteria are covered in a fatty layer, and oil, as you know, is a fat. So when you swish oil in your mouth, it is almost like the oil is attracting and trapping these bacteria, slowly and gently pulling them away from your teeth and gums. And when you spit the oil out, you're not just spitting oil, you're also removing a whole load of bacteria with it. Let's talk about the benefits of oil pulling. First, it improves overall oral health. Oil pulling helps reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, which may lower plaque buildup and improves the gum health. Oil pulling also helps in reducing bad breath or halitosis, which is often caused by bacteria. So it helps by reducing or cleansing those areas your toothbrush sometimes misses. Oil pulling also helps in removing surface stains, giving your teeth a brighter appearance. There is a strong link between oral health and overall health. A lot of us don't know this, but poor oral hygiene has been associated with heart diseases, diabetes and inflammation. While oil pulling is not a cure, it can be a supportive habit in maintaining oral and systemic health. There are some myths around oil pulling. First, that it detoxifies your entire body. Actually, there is no strong scientific evidence that it removes toxins from your bloodstream. Second myth is that it replaces brushing and flossing. Absolutely not. Oil pulling is an addition, not a replacement. You may still need brushing twice daily, flossing, regular dental checkups. Think of oil pulling as a bonus step and not the main. Let's see how to do oil pulling properly. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut, sesame or sunflower oil and do it on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Swish gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not gargle or swallow it. Start with 5 minutes if 15 feels too long. Spit it out in the trash, not the sink. It can clog pipe. Rinse your mouth with water and brush your teeth as usual. There are some precautions you need to take while doing oil pulling, like do not swallow the oil, stop if you feel jaw discomfort. It is not recommended for young children, so do not make your child do it. And always maintain your regular dental routine. So, is oil pulling a miracle cure? No. But is it a simple natural habit that can support your overall oral health? Absolutely. Sometimes the most powerful habits are the most simpler ones.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more such dental insights.